So we have a super blinged up KTM 390 Duke, 2017 on a 67 plate on a 2599. Got quite a few nice little extras. Handguards, anodized CNC'd bar ends and front reservoir cap. Tank pads and fuel cap pad. Evo Tech crash bungs. CNC'd anodized oil filler and rear reservoir. Again, we have kick plates for pillion as well. A GR Motor carbon style exhaust. RNG tail tidy. Tie stand extender, which looks quite good. Nice bike, done 6,164 miles. Will come fully serviced, MOT'd, and with a warranty from ourselves. Nice bit of kit, perfect for entry level bike.